let's say you want to remove the Microsoft account, and once again you want to use your local account in order to log into your Windows 11 operating system. So for that, once again open the settings app and then click on accounts, and you can see your email ID will be shown here. That means you are logged in with your Microsoft account. So for that you need to click on your info option, and then you will be able to see under account settings, sign in with local account instead. So you will see this option. Also, when you go back to accounts and when you click on sign in options, you also have the option to log in with your facial recognition, fingerprint, and your Windows Hello pin also, right? So we want to be able to log in once again with our local account. So I'm going to click on your info option, and then under account settings, I'm going to click on sign in with my local account instead option. And once I click on that, you will see this warning which says, are you sure you want to switch to local account? And your email ID also will be shown here. So click on next here. And once you do that, you need to provide your PIN for your Windows 11 operating system, which you have provided at the time of adding the Microsoft account. So let me provide my PIN here and then click on OK. And now I can once again set up the new password for my Windows operating system, which will be a local offline password without using the Microsoft account. So let me provide that. And then once again confirm this password, and then just provide the hint here and then click on next. And one last time, it's going to show you are almost done. Make sure you save your work before you sign out and use your new local account info the next time you sign in, right? So now I'm going to click on sign out and finish, which is going to sign me out of my Windows Microsoft account, and it's going to log me out of my Microsoft account. And this time I can provide my local account. If you remember earlier, I was seeing my name here because it was linked to my Microsoft account. Now I'm seeing my local account name here, and now I can provide my local account password and then click on submit. I'm logged in to my Windows operating system with my local account. This I can verify from here also, because earlier when I was logged in with my Microsoft account, it was my name here instead of this code bind which I have given for my local account, right? When I click on settings app here, and when I click on account also, I can see now this is a local account. It's written here, it's a local account, and my email ID is not shown here. Also here under rewards, it says sign in, right? And also when I click on your info option, I can see once again this option under account settings, sign in with a Microsoft account instead, right? So because I'm logged in with my local account, I can once again add a Microsoft account and sign in with my Microsoft account, right? I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.